Beach. I requested the days off, and he said he's not going no more.
Let's see, I'll check. We'll see, it'll be on the left side of the GPS. Fuck, I didn't know it was dirt. Dude, it doesn't weigh anything, dude.
1.8 ounce.
Let me see. 1.8 ounces, it's light as shit. Like feels like almost as light as a pen. Like that, a little bit heavier. I didn't check the mileage either, so I don't know how many miles it is to get down there. So it's Fire Road 5N151, Santa Clarita, the Hobbs. It's beautiful here. Let's go. Going up the road here. It's getting kind of toasty. Like where?
From here, the down part looks like the trunk. This part looks like the head and the ear.
I guess. I just don't know how the hell we're gonna get down there. Alright, let's keep going. This thing is monstrous. I saw online that someone camped here. Yeah, like you can see like the old fire pit.
Yeah.
This thing is big ass.
What the heck? There's a beehive right here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't even see it. Looks like you could go up a little bit without dying.
Let's go.
These rocks are so big, dude, I can't even get them in one shot. We're on the back end of Elephant Hills, also known as Texas Canyon. I think if time and the heat doesn't beat us up, we're gonna go down there to let's go see those other rocks. There's a creek down there. All those trees are green over there. It's beautiful here. Oh, the rattlesnake?
Yeah.
Well, right now it's dangerous because it's butt hot. Yeah. It's probably coyote. Or bear scat. I don't know my scats. I think those rocks, I don't know if there's like a trail over here. Does it look like it?
It kind of looks like an edge right there, but it looks like it's going up.
It may. It looks like it goes to the fire road way up there. It's starting to get really hot, so we're trying not to die. I've had about a liter of water, so got 2 more. We should look at the other side, see if we can go. I think we should just go back because I don't think it's possible. It's gonna start getting warmer. Dry creek maybe underwater. I don't know if you guys can see the waterfall from here. That's just the waterfall. The waterfall. That's what Texas sounds like. Oh, who makes it?
Hydro Flask?
Dude, that thing was freezing cold. Like real talk. How much was it?
$40.
I mean, it keeps it cold. It felt great drinking cold water. It's like 100 degrees today. It's beautiful here, though.
1.18 liters.
Oh, it's a good size. It's a good size. About how many ounces does it weigh?
40? Oh, I don't know how much it weighs.
So we're going back because it's getting way too hot and it's not feasible to go further down. So I'll record a little bit more once I see what I find on the opposite side. I think we're going to try to check it out. I guess looking at it from now, it does look like an elephant head. I thought it was like the whole elephant. I was like, that shit doesn't look like an elephant, but you're right. It didn't feel bad. I mean, being almost 100 degrees, the wind makes it feel good. Lots of areas to explore here. Way too hot though.